In this video, we're going to be talking about a device that uses solar power to keep your devices charged that is very portable. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and today we're going to be taking a look at a product from Mvpkings. This charger is extremely small, very portable, and it has the ability to keep your devices charged using the sun. Let's take a look at it. Here is the box. Has basic information about it. Opening the box reveals the instruction manual, and I do suggest reading the instruction manual. Also, you will find the USB-C cable. It's a decent length for just giving it that charge it needs. And here is the device itself. I have to say, it's made really well. Popping the snap reveals 4 solar panels. Here you will also find a green indicator light, indicating that it is charging by the sun. You can also charge this power bank by plugging it into an external power source. You will also notice blue indicator lights. This will show you the charge level and that it is charging. There are 2 USB-A ports for powering your devices. Double pressing the power button enables the LED flashlight. Pressing the button again adjusts the brightness. And once more enables the strobe or SOS light. I find this power bank to be pretty amazing for what it's capable of doing and its size. Here are the dimensions if you're interested. I find it to be very portable. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video for the Mvpkings solar-powered portable charger. Thank you again for sending it into the show. I really enjoy it. I honestly feel I'm going to be using this device going forward. If you're interested in this, I have an affiliate link in the description box of this video where you can pick up one of these amazing solar-powered chargers. I'm telling you, this thing's amazing. If you got any value out of this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know, do you use any solar powered products? I'm always looking for products and gadgets to enhance the RV and traveling experience. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.